Merry Christmas! Welcome to my home. Come on in. Rise and shine, Buttercup. It's Vlogmas Day number 2. Let's get this party started. Good morning, Gus. Good morning, Gus Gus. Tell everybody good morning. Don't get so close. Good morning. Good morning, Gus Gus. Good morning, Gus Gus. Okay, Gus, I'm trying to get a good shot of you. Good morning, Gus Gus. Welcome to Vlog Hot Mess YotaStyle. Oh yeah. Look at my hair. Okay, I actually had it pulled back. I always pull it back. Oops. I always pull it back when I sleep. And then I take it down and it looks like this. All right, you guys, I gotta get myself together. Let's make coffee. I got a new teapot. Kenco coffee. I'm just about out. So this is my British coffee, Gwenny. And look. Ah! Yes. That glare. Here's my new coffee cup. My corksicle. Tired of my coffee getting cold. So we got these cups. I gotta clean, you guys, but I don't have time. And I put this collagen in my coffee. I'm just gonna use some cold milk today. I don't think I'm gonna froth it. Uh-oh, here comes Gus. What is it? What is it? What's wrong? What is it, Gus? You're a good boy. Uh-oh. He's a stalker. Whoa! He scared me. You scared me, Gus. He's a stalker who stalks me every day. Gus and the Roomba, they stalk me. Oh, okay. Be that way. Okay, so over there is the hall tree that we're going to decorate today. Keith already put the star up. So I need to put that footage in this because this was the other night. So I'm going to put the footage of Keith putting up the stars on both of the trees. Check out the dew, you guys. This is what I look like every morning when I get up. Keith always says it looks like a giant tarantula died on my head. Cheers. You know, I was wondering, some of you YouTubers, how did you get your YouTube name? How did you come up with it?
leave it in the comments below. I'm really curious, and I always wonder about that. I got YotaStyle because I wanted something very simple. I wanted my name, my actual name in it. I've always had my own style. So, I don't know, I just thought YotaStyle, I like that. And my Instagram is YotaStyle Lux. If you guys are not following me over there, you totally need to. Don't ask me why, because I don't do much over there. I don't have time. I don't have time for all this. I can barely keep up with YouTube, and now I'm doing vlog hot mess. But yeah, I'm always wondering how people get their names. I know that Dale's addiction, hi Dale, she gets hers because she's addicted to luxury. And Autumn Beckman, that was creative of her, wasn't it? Autumn Beckman. Oh, brother. Okay. Winnie BLV, Winnie B for her last name. LV, because she loves LV. But really, how did you guys come up with your name? Andrea, how'd you come up with your name? So I do always wonder that, especially when people have like different names. Okay, I've had my coffee, and we're gonna decorate this little hall tree right here. And the other night, Keith put the stars on the trees. So I will insert that footage. That is about all of the decorating that Keith does. So he actually does the honors of doing the star. So now we're gonna decorate this tree with all of this, Okay, these are things that I just got at the Dollar Tree. I have lots of fancy ornaments, you guys, down in the basement. So this year we're just gonna do a little kind of a nature looking tree, and I'm seriously thinking about leaving the big one just plain. I just love the white lights, and I could also make the lights colored. So okay, let's decorate this little tree. Cute. I love it. So I really love it. I did get out some of my little owls from the basement and brought them down. I got a little carried away, but I just love it. It's simple and I think it's really cute. Okay, you guys, so now it is 10 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to show you guys the advent calendars that I got. Okay, so here are the two beauty advent calendars that I got. I got the e.l.f. Snow Much Fun 24-day advent calendar, and I got Charlotte Tilbury because I love Charlotte Tilbury products. So I got these, and we're going to open door number 1 today on Vlogmas Day 2 because last night I totally forgot. So, okay, so we're going to do that, you guys. I'm still not even dressed for the day, so let's do that, and then I'll get dressed for the day. Okay, you guys. 10 o'clock, and I haven't done anything. I haven't even brushed my teeth. I've been so busy since 7 this morning. Okay, so e.l.f. calendar. Okay, so e.l.f. advent calendar, Snow Much Fun. Are those lights annoying or what? No, we need those lights. Okay. I've always always liked these products, and when I was looking for calendars, I wanted to try some new beauty products because I'm not really one to buy a lot of makeup, so I thought this would be a really good time to do it. I think this is so pretty. It kind of reminds me of Frozen, the Disney movie Frozen. Looks like icicles. It's really pretty. All right, so let's see what is in door number 1. I feel like I'm playing The Price is Right. All right, and you guys, last night Keith punched door number 4. So I'm gonna have to teach him how advent calendars work. All right, let me try to get this open and see what we've got. All right. I need the jaws of life to get it out of there though. Okay. Okay, exciting. Okay, so this is called Holy Hydration. That sounds good. And it's a face cream. So I'm excited. Let's try that right now because I haven't even put anything on my face today. I always buy, not always, but a lot of times I buy this hydrating serum, and it's very expensive by Revision, and I tend to use this after I've had microneedling because my skin is always dry after that. So I'm excited to try this Holy Hydration. So let's try it now. All right, first of all, it doesn't really have much of a scent. It just smells really, just very subtle, just a soft powder scent. Oh my gosh, it feels beautiful. Okay, ooh, very soft. Holy Hydration, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, here comes Gus. Oh my goodness. Mister? What do you need? Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm one of these, I can tell right off the bat if I love something. Gus, for heaven's sakes. And I love it. I love the way it feels. Okay, this is a product I can get behind. Holy Hydration by e.l.f. Wow. Wow. Really good. Oh, my face feels so good. Okay. So you may want to try this. And e.l.f. products are not expensive. This is wonderful, you guys. Wonderful. I love it. Great. Okay. Now, so I'll just put it right there. Oh, that was exciting. Okay, so next, look at this beautiful Charlotte Tilbury. Now this was about maybe $200. I'm not about to pay $500, you guys. I came really close to getting the YotaSyle. Oh, I just couldn't do it. I just could not do it. Look how beautiful. It says, Charlotte Tilbury, may all your beauty dreams come true. And I love this little, I love this whole little thing because I can reuse this. It's very pretty. It's like a jewelry box or a makeup box kind of. So, okay. So let's open up the first drawer and see what we have. So there's only 12. So we won't do this every day. Maybe every other day. Try to space it out. Okay, so this one is the Multi-Miracle Glow Cleanser Mask and Balm for baby soft glowing skin. Okay, so this is a product that I have not tried. I will try this tonight, and I will let you guys know tomorrow on Vlogmas how I liked it, okay? So that's what we'll do, but I am absolutely loving this. Wow, it feels great. I love it. Okay, so this is what I'll do tonight. Okay, that was exciting. And then when Keith comes home tonight, we will have our chocolate. So like I said, I got the 3 advent calendars. I wanted to do a wine advent calendar, but I love wine, I drink wine, but I don't know how to explain it. I don't want to look like a hot mess on here. So for now, I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna make up my bed, maybe do a little packing, and I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Loving the way this feels, I'm telling you guys. It's a hit. All right, so I came up here to take a look at the last painting that I did because I need to varnish it. So I had a subscriber to ask me to show some of my art, and I'm going to show you the last painting that I did, and I'm going to take it to a gallery probably when we get back from Vegas. So, okay, so here it is. So it is Santa. I do a lot of Santas. I get a lot of orders for them. And he's sitting in a blue velvet chair and in front of a Christmas tree with some lights. I think I'm going to add a little bit more definition here, a little bit of gray, maybe some blue, and maybe a few more lights on the tree. It says Santa is in. And his boots, and I signed it. So this is the last painting that I did, and I like him pretty well. I do need to add a little definition. This one was for sale. I haven't had any takers on it, but I'm going to have a paint class, a party, and on December 10th, and they want to paint this. So anyway, then after that, I'll probably take it over to the gallery. I'll take it to the gallery if it doesn't sell. But he's kind of cute. I kind of want to keep him. I also have to finish working on the portrait of my grandson. This was supposed to have been a Christmas gift for my daughter, but I was going to do it like black and white, but my reference photo was not black and white, and that's just craziness. So I decided to go ahead and add color, and then I just haven't had time, you guys, to work on that. So anyway, she might get it for her birthday. So that is the last painting that I did, and we need to do some painting, don't we? We need to come up with like a plan and do some painting, like do a painting class. You guys could paint along with me. Okay, you guys, look at this. It's my little Bob Ross bobblehead. Oh yeah. Keith found him for me. I thought that was the cutest thing. He talks, but you can't understand a word he says.
Let's make some nice little clouds and just float around it. It won't be fun all day. You know me. I like to be a big old tree.
So I kind of collect Bob Ross stuff now.
Let's put a few highlights in here just to make your little rascals just sparkle in the sun.
I love it.